Greetings to you all. I hope you're all having a good day today. Today I'll be doing. I know I realized I haven't posted in a long time, so I'm hoping I'm catching up today. I'll be doing another one of my own compositions. It's I did again. I didn't really have a title for this one, but I what my imagination was taking me to was looking out of a window while it's raining, like a more ambient feel. And so that's why I tried to get along with this music. So you could call it "Staring Out of a Window" while raining or something like that. Or if you have a better title that's not as cheesy, you can always let me know or something like that. But I hope you all enjoy it. Well, I hope you all enjoyed that. Tune in next time for when I make more music. And so I hope you're all having a good day. I hope it didn't make it too somber for you, since well, it's really cloudy outside, so maybe. Yeah. So, but yeah, I hope you all enjoyed it, and tune in next time when I have more music to provide for you guys.